In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh and hard refresh Google Chrome. By the end, you'll understand what each refresh does and exactly how to trigger them so you can quickly fix pages that aren't loading correctly or showing the latest content. First, make sure you have Chrome open on the page you want to refresh. We'll start by opening Chrome's developer tools because that reveals extra reload options you won't normally see. Move to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, hover over More Tools, then click Developer Tools. A panel will appear, usually docked to the right or bottom of your window. Keep that panel open. It's what enables the special reload options we need. Now, look to the left of the address bar for the circular reload this page icon. Instead of a normal click, right-click that reload icon. A small menu will pop up with choices. Choose normal reload. This is the standard refresh you're used to. It tells Chrome to reload the page while still relying on cached files where possible. It's fast and usually enough when you just need the page to get a quick update like new text or minor changes. If the page still looks stuck, outdated, or styles seem off, we'll go a step further. Again, right-click the reload icon. This time, select hard reload. A hard reload tells Chrome to skip using cached versions of most resources and re-download them from the server. This is especially helpful if a site changed its scripts, images, or styles, and your browser is clinging to older copies. You might notice a slightly longer load time. That's normal because Chrome is fetching fresh files. Depending on your setup, you may see another option in that menu. We're not using it here, so simply stick with normal reload and hard reload as shown. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works as a right click. And if you prefer shortcuts, just as a tip, many systems support quick keys for both types of reloads, though today we're focusing on the menu method. When you're done, you can close the Developer Tools panel using the X in the corner of the panel. To recap, open the menu, go to More Tools, Developer Tools, then right-click the reload icon and choose Normal Reload for quick updates or Hard Reload to force Chrome to pull fresh resources. With this approach, you'll solve most reload-related glitches in seconds.